miter saw, the C10 FCE2. It is the ideal compound miter saw for trim carpenters, framers, woodworkers, do-it-yourselfers, and weekend warriors who demand precision and reliability at a great value. Powered by a 15-amp motor, this saw is capable of cutting through hardwoods with ease. It can easily cut stacked 2x4s, 2x6s, and 4x4 posts at 90 degrees, as well as trim boards, and doesn't bog down or experience any motor lag in cutting larger stock. Many people describe its cutting capability like cutting through butter, no stuttering or hesitation whatsoever. Precision and accuracy are key advantages to using a Hitachi miter saw. The factory calibration is spot on right out of the box, so you can get cutting right away with no need to calibrate it. The trigger is smooth and the saw responds immediately. The motor has a smooth start and the blade experiences little to no vibration. An elastomer grip covers the horizontal handle, reducing vibration while adding comfort and preventing slippage. The large table surface provides better support to prevent material from moving when cutting. It also comes with a material support extension, which can be attached to the left or the right side when cutting longer stock. The miter scale ranges from 0 to 52 degrees, both to the right and left, for a broader range of cuts. Miter angles can be quickly and accurately adjusted using the thumb-actuated positive stops at 0, 15, 22.5, 31.6, and 45 degrees, both right and left, the most common angles in woodworking. The bevel scale ranges from 0 to 45 degrees to the left, with adjustable bevel stops for precision cuts. A dust collector bag is included to minimize airborne particles and keep your worksite cleaner. At only 26.3 pounds, it's one of the lighter compound miter saws out there, which makes it more portable and easier to maneuver where you want it. This miter saw provides smooth, accurate miters and crosscuts in a variety of workpieces, including wood, plywood, decorative panels, soft fiberboard, hardboard, and soft aluminum pieces. It comes with Hitachi's 5-year tool warranty for peace of mind, along with a 10-inch, 24-tooth tungsten carbide saw blade, pivoting flip fence, vise assembly, dust bag, 10mm box wrench, and material support extension. This miter saw is also available with a laser marker, model C10 FCH2. This saw is perfect for anyone looking to purchase a powerful and accurate professional quality miter saw at a decent price.
Dewalt's new 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw, the DWS 780, is our best yet. Delivering our largest capacity, improved accuracy with the built-in XPS system, and the durability, portability, and ease of use features that our end users demand on the job site. Durability. Dewalt has been in the miter saw business for decades, and we've designed this saw to withstand the test of time. Our rigorous testing process pushed features such as our miter saw detent plate to the max. We performed tens of thousands of cuts without losing accuracy. Features like these and our reinforced 2-piece guard make Dewalt miter saws the brand preferred by professionals. Portability. Weighing in at a slim 56 pounds, this saw is lighter than the competition. The saw folds down to make carrying and storage easy. Handles on both sides of the base and the top of the saw help to give the user a firm grip during transport. Capacity. In addition to being a light and compact 12-inch compound sliding miter saw, the DWS 780 provides 13 3/4-inch horizontal capacity to cut 2x14 lumber, and up to a stunning 16-inch horizontal capacity when using the back fence feature. Its capacity is a whopping 6 3/4 inches when cutting base moldings vertically, combined with its 7.5-inch nested crown capacity. This 12-inch, 56-pound miter saw has the largest total capacity of any miter saw on the market. Ease of use. The DWS 780 has a number of features designed to make cutting and cleanup easy, including an oversized dust chute and deflector optimized to direct dust in any cut orientation that collects over 75% of the dust created. A high visibility bevel scale with an easy to adjust system to make bevel cuts easy and fast. A quick and accurate cam lock miter locking system for cuts. A range of accessories including clamps, material supports for larger materials, and stops to assist with repetitive cuts. Accuracy. The DWS 780 features a stainless steel miter detent plate, durable enough to remain accurate for tens of thousands of cuts. The machine-based fence provides perfect fence alignment and the accuracy that end users demand from their miter saw. Offering laser-like precision without the need to recalibrate, the XPS high-intensity LED light casts a shadow of the blade, which can be used to indicate cut location.
Unrivaled durable precision, unparalleled smoothness, unquestionable breakthrough. Introducing the 12-inch dual bevel axial glide miter saw from Bosch. Another game-changing innovation from the leader in professional tools. The new axial glide miter saw is more than a new way to crosscut, bevel, and miter. It's an engineering breakthrough that delivers significant advantages over traditional miter saws. The innovation begins with our patented axial glide system, which incorporates a robust cast aluminum arm and sealed ball bearings, working in tandem with the saw fence, base, and controls to achieve unprecedented durability and precision. By eliminating the rails, the axial glide system does away with rail deterioration from repeat use and abuse. So time-consuming recalibration is a thing of the past, and accuracy is never in doubt. The glide saw's innovative railless design also dramatically reduces the tool's depth to achieve an amazingly compact footprint, up to 12 inches smaller than competitive saws, so it works easily in tight spaces or even right against a workspace wall. Best of all, no other miter saw feels like the axial glide, delivering the ultimate in smooth glide action and control at all angles, especially on compound cuts. And its distinctive design assures that same smooth precision, cut after cut, year after year, for the life of the tool. The new glide saw also delivers a major advantage in cutting capacity, up to 14 inches for crosscuts and 6.5 inches for molding. So whether cutting base or crown molding, dimensional lumber or 4x4s, its expanded capacity means more work in less time with single cut precision. Another award-winning innovation, upfront bevel controls located on the front of the saw, eliminates the awkward reach to the rear of the saw and makes bevel adjustments quick and easy. Just lift the bevel lock lever and tilt the head. Adjust for right bevel. It's that simple. The glide saw's square lock quick release sliding fences also allow one-touch adjustment for extra support on bevel cuts, while its cast-in scales provide at-a-glance reference for repeat cuts, and removal is just as easy. The axial glide is also the only saw on the market with integrated expanding base extensions that provide up to 40 inches of added support for long pieces, 60% more than competitive saws. A large, easy-to-read bevel scale provides quick reference indicators for all common, crown, and roof angles, while the stainless steel miter scales and 10 positive miter detents allow speedy adjustment for the most common miter cuts. And a push-button miter detent override makes it simple to precisely set any neighboring angle. The glide saw also automatically adapts to 1 1/4 inch and 35 millimeter vacuum hoses, so both the work and the workspace stay cleaner. The new axial glide miter saw from Bosch, for general carpenters and remodelers, for finish carpenters, for cabinet and furniture makers, for anyone who values accuracy, durability, and unparalleled smooth precision for the life of the saw. Evolutionary performance, revolutionary design by Bosch.
This is Hitachi's 12-inch sliding dual compound miter saw with laser marker, model C12 RSH2. Whether it's in the workshop or out on the job site, this powerful cutting machine combines strength and accuracy for even the most complicated miter and bevel cuts. The compact slide system allows the saw head to slide along fixed rails, eliminating the need for rear clearance. That's a big deal when you are working in tight areas or on a shallow bench. If it's accuracy you're looking for, the adjustable laser never misses its mark. You can easily set it to the left, right, or center of the blade. It's never been easier to get a precise cut the first time. The powerful 15-amp motor cuts through the toughest lumber with ease. These large sliding fences raise to 5 1/8 inches, which means you can finally cut up to 7.5-inch crown molding nested up against the fences. You get a 0 to 57 degree miter angle to the right, and a 0 to 45 degree angle to the left. At the same time, you also get a 0 to 45 degree bevel angle range to the right and left, allowing users to quickly and easily flip the saw blade while leaving the material in place. Positive stops and indications on the miter and bevel scale give you easy to read measurements and quick settings. Carbon brush access allows the user to easily inspect and replace the brushes as needed to greatly prolong tool life. A vertical handle with soft, vibration-reducing elastomer grip adds comfort and control. The included 60-tooth, 12-inch blade produces fine finish cuts. You also get a dust bag, vise assembly, 17mm box wrench, and Hitachi's 5-year warranty for peace of mind. The Hitachi 12-inch sliding dual compound miter saw is the perfect tool for making compound miter and bevel cuts with confidence.